Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
please make the host to the one who is going to present first.
Okay, good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
Now we are going to start it. So at first, I will make Sushma Madam as a host. Mm,
Sir,
Sushma Madam, can you hear me?
I can hear you, and can you hear me?
Yeah, I can also hear you, madam. Yeah, your audio is clear. Madam,
Okay,
now you
today
can start your
I changed.
presentation. I have made
Yes, I. Okay, thank
yeah.
you, sir. I changed my device today. Okay, namaste everyone. So today I will move with another topic. Yesterday's topic again. So is the audio clear? Okay, so today I will do with the chapter lesson 2, demographic, and in that there is a topic called consequences of rapid population growth. So I would like to screen share. So please wait for a second.
मैडम हजुरको अडियो धेरै लो भयो
Audio low भयो. Okay, I will.
हजुरको अडियो एकदम लो भयो मैडम
Just a minute. Now is it? Now is it okay? Is it okay now?
272 241
Okay, is it visible?
9202 202 yeah
Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and my
madam
audio
it
is
is
it clear
visible
now?
just you manage audio video is clear
My audio is clear.
yeah slides are clear madam only audio you have to
No.
manage
Audio. Is it not clear? Others, please, it is clear. Tara ma'am. Tara
Yeah,
ma'am,
ma'am.
is it
Now
clear?
yes, ma'am. It's better. Better than before.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. So today we are going to read about the consequences of rapid population growth. And consequences, I think you know, means effects. So before we start reading consequences or effects of rapid population growth, first we need to know what exactly is the rapid population growth. Like you can see here, when do we say that population growth is rapid? Population growth rapid छ भनेर कतिखेर भन्ने कसरी बुझ्ने त population growth rapid छ कि नै rapid means fast हैन so here population growth is said to be rapid when there are two conditions one is when the total fertility rate is higher than 2.1
Excuse me, ma'am.
per woman yes ma'am
You please make all mute. सबलाई म्युट गरिदिनु होला डिस्टर्बेन्सेस आइरहेछ
आउँछु एउटा राखिदिनु
म्युट अल गरिदिनु म्याम पार्टिसिपेन्ट्समा गएर
Okay, so
Pratik,
when we say, okay, so when do we say that population growth rate is rapid? कतिखेर हामीले population growth rate rapid छ भन्ने मिल्छ? There are two conditions. One is when the total fertility rate is greater than 2.1 per woman. If you remember, total fertility rate TFR means, and in an average, एउटा womanले कतिवटा बच्चा जन्माउँछ हैन? So through her entire reproductive period, यदि कुनै पनि फिमेलले 2.1 भन्दा धेरै बच्चा जन्माइरहेको छ भने it will be known as total fertility rate. And another is when the annual population growth rate is higher than 2%. Okay, if you remember, can someone say 2.1 per woman? भनेको एउटा womanले 2.1 बच्चा कसरी जन्माउँछ त? How can a woman give birth to 2.1 child? How is that possible? Can someone say?
Ma'am, it is not possible, but this is the average figure that is
Yes,
shown.
yes. Because when we divide and get percentage, etc., so it's in decimal. That's why. So if the total fertility rate, कुनै पनि एउटा वुमनले आफ्नो एन्टायर रिप्रोडक्टिभ पिरियडमा कतिवटा बच्चा जन्माउँछ त्यसको संख्या 2.1 भन्दा धेरै छ भने र वार्षिक पपुलेसन ग्रोथ रेट एनुअल पपुलेसन ग्रोथ रेट 2% भन्दा धेरै छ भने पपुलेसन ग्रोथ रेट इज ऱ्यापिड भन्न मिल्छ. ओके, सो अब नेपालमा पपुलेसन ग्रोथ रेट ऱ्यापिड छ कि छैन त? हाउ डु वी नो? वी नीड टु नो वेदर नेपालको कन्डिसनमा population growth rate of Nepal be termed as high. So according to the census of 2068 BS, okay, this is the latest census, 2068 BS census अनुसार our annual population growth rate is 1.35%. Population growth rate 1.35%, which is lower than the criteria for rapid population growth. But the total fertility rate is 2.6 per woman. Annual population growth rate चाहिँ 2% हो अथवा धेरै हुनुपर्ने, त्यो भन्दा कम छ. तर 2. Is the audio clear? Hello, is the audio clear? Everyone is mute. Okay, sorry.
Sunyata madam, Sunyata.
Okay. So the total fertility rate is 2.6. हाम्रो criteria थियो 2.1, तर total fertility rate चाहिँ 2.6 छ. Criteria भन्दा धेरै छ. त्यसैले we can say that population growth rate of Nepal is high. Populationमा growth rate, नेपालमा population growth rate rapid छ. Okay, so now on to the actual topic. So what is the actual topic ours? Is consequences of rapid population growth. If you remember, consequences भनेको के हो? Consequences भनेको, can someone unmute and say consequences means?
Results.
Results.
Effects. Okay, so when population grows rapidly, what will be the effects? What will be the results? So the results here are studied under two topics, or let's say यसको इफेक्ट्स दुईवटा एस्पेक्ट्समा छ. इन्भाइरोन्मेन्टल एस्पेक्टमा के असर पर्छ अनि अर्को चाहिँ सोशियो इकोनोमिक एस्पेक्टमा के असर पर्छ. So first it's only listed. Okay, I just want you to see this. Like first effect के रहेछ त on the environmental aspect को first effect, rapid deforestation, right? And then there will be loss of natural beauty, natural calamities, loss of biodiversity, pollution, climatic changes, exploitation of natural resources. One by one we'll explain all this. First you just need to see the list. Then when we come on to the socio-economic aspects, the effects will be there will be lack of food, safe drinking water, clothing, shelter, health services, quality education, security and entertainment, unemployment and rising poverty. अब यो कसरी याद राख्ने कुन चाहिँ एन्भाइरोन्मेन्टमा कुन चाहिँ सोशियो इकोनोमिकमा भनेपछि आई थिंक द्याट्स अ लजिकल थिङ. एन्भाइरोन्मेन्टसँग रिलेटेड यो क्लाइमेट, पोल्युसन, बायोडाइभर्सिटीहरू सबै एन्भाइरोन्मेन्टल एस्पेक्टमा भयो. सोसाइटीसँग रिलेटेड है, इजिली याद गर्ने, इजिली सम्झिने हो भने नर्मल डेली लाइफ अफ द पिपल सँग रिलेटेड चिजहरू चाहिँ सोसियलमा, जस्तो आवर निड्स आर लाइक फुड, क्लोथ्स, shelter, water, education, health, etc. etc. So all this will be social. And the last ko duita, unemployment and rise in poverty. These two are unemployment and rise in poverty are economic. Okay, why I'm telling separately is exam what are the economic effects of rapid population growth. So you will write unemployment and rise in poverty only. Socio-economic you will write all these lack of food, etc. etc. Okay, so next we will go one by one. Okay, environmental aspect ma bhayeko sabai effects one by one study गर्ने हामी. First is rapid deforestation. So here it means to say population rapidly बढ्यो भने there will be rapid deforestation. Okay, so how there will be rapid deforestation? Population धेरै भयो, धेरै population लाई धेरै land चाहियो. So how do we get more land is you clear the forest area. One is that, and another is more population will demand more forest products. Forest products ma ke pare? Firewood, timber, like medicines, leaf, fodder, etc. etc. So जति धेरै population चाहियो, त्यति धेरै land चाहियो, त्यसैले forest will be cleared. जति धेरै population भयो, त्यति धेरै forest products चाहियो, that is why there will be deforestation. So the result is when population grows rapidly, there will be rapid deforestation. Now one thing that I need to clarify is rapid deforestation भएर के problem पर्यो भन्दा भन्दा धेरै यहाँ एक्सप्लेन गर्ने के हो त population rapid grow गर्यो भने deforestation कसरी rapid हुन्छ. Okay, so yes sir. Raji sir, are you saying something to me? Okay, next. Okay, next is loss of natural beauty. So again here, when population grows rapidly, then natural beauty of environment is lost. When population is more, there will be more construction, more demolition, more waste product, more factories and industries, more concrete jungle, etc. What is concrete jungle? Concrete jungle bhanne ke? Can someone say what's concrete jungle?
Buildings.
No, ma'am.
House.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Industries.
Yes.
Buildings.
All the concrete structure. Yes. Like in urban areas, when we see around everywhere, we see buildings, houses, bus parks, and all are concrete things, roadways, etc. We hardly see.
Ma'am, I heard concrete jungle.
Yes, yes, that's the term, concrete jungle. That's the
But
term,
Meena ma'am is
concrete
also
jungle.
concrete construction.
Okay, internet connection unstable. No, I'm not saying construction. It's concrete jungle. Concrete jungle is like houses everywhere. Whatever things we have with concrete, है ना? घरहरू, buildingsहरू, officeहरू, school and colleges, factories, roadways, जता bus parks, है ना? All these will form the concrete jungle. So population धेरै भयो भने घरहरू धेरै हुने भयो, buildingsहरू धेरै हुने भयो, जता हेऱ्यो बाटो घाटोहरू हुने भयो, हैन? So hardly we will see greenery. Hardly we will see plants. हैन? घरहरू धेरै भयो नि plants भनेको त्यही सानसानो गमलामा मात्रै हुन्छ. And so that's why natural beauty will be lost. जंगलहरू हटाएर घरहरू बन्छ, फ्याक्ट्रीहरू बन्छ, बाटोघाटो धेरै हुँदै जान्छ, जताततै फोहोर मैला थुप्रेको हुन्छ, बर्ड्सहरू हैन, एनिमल्सहरू देखिने भनेको कम हुँदै जान्छ. So that's why it will not look beautiful. So when population grows rapidly, then there is rapid loss of natural beauty. Okay, I think it's going too long, so I will not explain all the things in detail. Similarly, there will be natural calamities, बाढी पहिरोहरू धेरै आउँदै जान्छ किनभने डिफरेस्टेसन भयो, loss of biodiversity is when plants and animal speciesहरू कम हुँदै जान्छ, they would become rare. Similarly, pollution बढ्छ किनभने waste products will be more, factories, vehicles etc. would be more in number. And climatic changes, global warming, scanty rainfall, etc. What's scanty rainfall? Scanty rainfall, less rainfall. All those are climatic changes. All these are the results of rapid population growth. Okay, so this much for my presentation. I think homework would be all this slides would be shared in WhatsApp. So my suggestion is do not say that classes are not going regularly. So you can have all this in your clear copy. One clear copy would do. And this numbering would help you in memorizing all these type of things. The only thing you need to remember here is explain गर्दाखेरि जस्तो इफेक्ट्स भनेको छ हैन पपुलेसन र्यापिडली ग्रो गरेर डिफरेस्टेसन कसरी भयो भन्ने कुरा धेरै लेख्ने हो न कि डिफरेस्टेसन भएर के प्रब्लम आयो त्यो पछि जाने हैन more important is when population grows rapidly these things happen and so rapid deforestation occurs एउटा point चाहिँ लाइक लास्टमा लेख्दै हुन्छ because of which we face many problems etc. Okay, so I will stop this screen sharing. I hope that was clear. So homework will be in WhatsApp. I give a few questions.
Ma'am,
Okay, that's all, Gupta sir.
Ma'am, एकचोटि यो वो के रे इयरफोन हटाएर बोल्नु त विदाउट इयरफोन
Yes, I'll try that. Okay sir, I'm trying that.
Did you say something?
Yes sir. Am I audible now?
Yeah, ठिकै छ अघि अलिकति कस्तो
Okay, I'll try volume. I had lowered the volume because it was too disturbing. This is now maximum volume, sir. Am I audible?
या अघि अलिकति कस्तो भन्दाखेरि तिको जस्तो आएको थियो कि अहिले अहिले विदाउट द्याट अल्सो इट्स ओके ल
Okay sir. Okay sir. That's all from my side, sir.
Yeah, so suggestion number 1.
Yes sir.
It's okay. सुरुमा त्यो शॉर्ट फर्ममा थियो नि व्हाट इज दैट जीडीआर के भन्छ
RPG sir.
के थियो नि शॉर्ट फर्मको टीआरएफ के थियो हो त्यो चाहिँ त्यसको फुल फर्मै त्यहाँ लेखिदिँदा राम्रो हुन्छ त्यसपछि जस्तै के थियो त्यो सुरुको इनिशियल सुरुको स्लाइडमा
Okay sir.
के थियो व्हाट वाज दैट हो त्यो जस्तै अब वी आर स्टुडेन्ट नाउ हैन अब त्यो चाहिँ एकचोटि त्यो भनिसकेपछि हाम्रो दिमागमा पसेन हैन त्यसलाई चाहिँ फुल फर्म पनि त्यहाँ लेख्दै राख्यो भने हैन त्यो रहिरहन्छ एउटा नम्बर 1 है
Yes.
अनि नम्बर 2 के भन्छ यो के जस्तो नेचुरल क्यालामिटिजहरु डिफरेस्टेसनहरुको त्यसको चाहिँ पिक्चर्सहरु पनि हामीले त्यहाँ देखाउन सक्यो भने would be better, interesting, you know, this is deforestation and over, you know, but concrete jungle, just so much of construction. Similarly, deforestation, pollution, this could be, yeah, if you figure it would be interesting. There you are. Okay, if there is anyone to suggest more, can go for that. Okay.
I think the best evaluation is like just like your pura thate na ni hale busnu just those who are not related with the subject like Nepali English अब उहाँले बुझ्नु भयो भने I think 10 को बच्चाहरुले पनि बुझ्छ होला के so like Nepali teachers English मतलब जसले त्यो याद थिएन पहिला त पढ्नु भयो होला उहाँहरूले बुझ्नुभयो भन्ने चाहिँ आई थिङ्क 10B लाई मैले बुझाउन सक्छु
Actually, which subject
बुझेन
is this?
This was health sir.
SPE.
Yes sir, HP.
अनि म्याम एउटा सजेसन के यसमा पिक्चरहरू हुँदैन र पिक्चरहरू गर्नुभयो भने राम्रो हुन्छ होला
Yes. खासमा बुझ्नु लागि त्यस्तो जरुरी छ जस्तो लाग्दैन सर बिकज सब्जेक्ट्स आर अल अन द बिगिनिङ तर बच्चाको कन्सन्ट्रेसन त्यहाँ पनि I think that's I'll add some pictures. I have written that sir.
One more suggestion.
Yes sir.
के अरे पछि यो के अरे अहिले त त्यहाँ अब के अरे कहाँनिर ब्लक छ त्यसको अनुसार मिलाएर अदरवाइज यो के अरे लाइट चाहिँ आफूतिर स्पेसमा पर्ने गरेर सेटिङ गर्नुपर्छ
ए
लाइट पछाडिबाट अथवा साइडबाट आउनुभन्दा you should be visible. You should face towards the light.
Yes sir, that didn't come to my mind. Yes sir.